Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I created the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Hunted. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. For this shot I used the Imperial probe droid and Jedi training Yoda from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black series. To start my setup, I filled an oven pan with water and set it next to my little fog machine. This would be the base of my swamp. Next, I positioned the probe droid's figure stand and weighed it down with a removable barbell weight. I also used the weight to hold down this bit of greenery before placing the probe droid on top of its stand. After that, I filled in the background a bit with a piece of driftwood. To cover up the weight and add some life to the scene, I added a whole bunch of decorative moss. The last step of my setup was balancing Yoda on top of the droid and turning on my background TV. After taking one exposure like this, I used a single LED to create my lightsaber glow and took a second exposure. The first step of my edit was to combine both exposures using layer masking and the brush tool. Then I used the pen tool and the brush tool to draw in the saber blade. Next, I used a variety of tools to edit out the probe droid's figure stand. After cropping the image, I also edited out the bowl and the fog machine in the background. My last step was adding a few effects to the lightsaber blade. At the very last second, I decided to tone down the lightsaber glow on Yoda just a little bit. I thought it was too bright. And here we have the final image. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.